The first number. The history behind the origin of number is always a big mystery. But the numbers have immensely molded the development and civilization of human race. Today we can't imagine a life without numbers system, because almost all our daily activities are dependent on numbers. At first, during prehistoric time, people counted by carving the number 1 repeatedly in wood, bone, or stone. This is how they accounted for days and counted everything. This shows that the history of mathematics began in the same way that we begin learning number 1. But it was not referred to as 1 back then. It was represented exactly in the same way how we represent today, with just a simple single vertical line. Historians and mathematicians have been able to collect concrete evidence, which clearly indicates that the number 1 was first used about 20,000 years ago in the African region of Congo. The discovery of Ishango bone led historians and the mathematician to this conclusion. The bone was found in Congo about 20,000 years ago. It is a fibula bone of baboon. It has a uniform series of straight lines carved on it. These represents the number 1. Further research has helped to concluded that they used it to represent a certain number of objects, things, dates, etc. This Ishango bone is presented at the Royal Belgium Institute of Natural Science in Brussels, Belgium. Thank you.